Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Unit 3 pattern part 1. In this video we are going to focus on patterns in geometry, patterns in words, exercise 3.3. Patterns in geometry. See this ma. This image was given in your book. The first one is honeycomb. So தேனி கூடு கட்டும் இல்லையா? Yes. So second one is yes block. You might have seen this. Okay. So let us do one more shape like this. First let us do the old one. That is I took one hexagon shape. Now I am going to fill all the sides. How many sides are here? Yes, 6 sides are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So சென்டர்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஹெக்ஸகன் ஷேப் மாதிரியே இருக்கக்கூடிய மற்ற பிளாக்ஸையும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்பொழுது we got this design. Am I right? Fine. So not only this design ma, if I arrange in a slightly different way, I got one more design like this. See this? See if I arrange in the shape, I have that entire gap, isn't it, in between. Fine. In that area, I can fill with diamond shape. Hope you understand. Yes, like this. So it's also looking nice, isn't it? Fine. So tiles. A tiling of a plane is a collection of subset of the plane, that is tiles, which cover the plane without gaps or overlap. So என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க? So plane surface ஏரியாவை நம்ம ப்ராப்பர் ஷேப் வச்சு டைலிங் பண்ணும் பொழுது, அதாவது டைல்ஸ் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும் பொழுது there must not be a gap or overlap. So that is called tiling, and this is the explanation. One more note also given ma. A design can be made of more than one kind of shapes. So as I have mentioned already, so first ஒரு design பார்த்தோம், then அந்த இதை slight-ஆ change பண்ணும் பொழுது we got one more design. Am I right? Yes. Hope you understand. Activity was given. Hope you enjoy this. Okay. Continue the pattern as done in first to complete the tile. See here, first is given ma, for example. So like that we are going to fill all the tiles, right? Like this. So at the top and down I filled with the blue color, and left side and right side, yes, we have to fill with pink color. Hope you understand. Like the same, to avoid confusion, I am going to arrange all those blue color first. You all enjoy this, isn't it? Yes. See ma, we got the totally different design. Am I right? White and blue. It's also nice, isn't it? Now we are going to fill with the pink color. See here. Fine. See, one more shape was there ma, which we are going to do now. Fine. See, watch closer. That is, so dark lines are there, isn't it? So that is the hint for you. So overall, how many squares now? 9, isn't it? Yes. I'll help you. See here, this is first, and then this entire second one. Then come to this area is third. Likewise, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. See, look at the first square. In this also we have 9 square inside this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I right? So this is the hint for you. Now we are going to do the entire shapes also. Like this. Center and right side top, right side bottom. So 5 black shape you have to shade it now. Am I right? Fine. We have to do in all the 9 squares more. So you are all enjoying this. See, watching this also, it's so happy. Just enjoy learning by coloring and shading also, right? Fine. We are going to end like this. We have to fill ma. See, look at this now. So entire shape was beautiful, isn't it? So now we got a one more beautiful design. Hope you understand. Activity 2. Continue the border stripe. See here, not only center or square shape, we can do the border stripe also like this. So entire shape you have to do now like this, right? You have to draw the same shape ma, so that you will get a border design, right? So here also we have to do the same, just like I have done. Fine. Is it easy now, right? Activity 3. Color the shape to complete the pattern. This one we have already done in the term 1 itself. Am I right? So the same we are going to follow in term 2 also. Just you know well. So look at the first one. Yes, first color is red and second one is filled with blue. Am I right? So what will be the next? Yes, red color ma. You have to color with red. Then after that we have to color with blue, then red and blue. So come down. In this first one is blue and second one is red. So the third one is sheer blue. Fourth one is red and again blue, again red. Clear? Fine. Come down. So here we have to use thick green and yellowish green. See what's like this. So it's easy to do now. To avoid confusion, I filled all the top with the green. So it's easy to complete the work. Like this. Am I right? So remaining part you have to fill with yellowish green. Have you all enjoyed this? 3.4. Able to find patterns in a collections of words. See here. So far we have find the patterns in the angle, isn't it? Right. So here we are going to find with words. So activity was given ma. Activity 4. Arrange the given words to form a pattern. So see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 words are there. From this word, we are going to segregate according to their pattern. Like this. First word is depth, isn't it? So likewise, what will be the next word? Breadth, isn't it? Okay, depth, breadth, then length, then width. So all ends with it, isn't it? Likewise, come to the second word, called, then walked, played, pulled, right? Third word is walked only. So come to the fourth word, mice. So mice, then rise, price, last one is voice. It's so interesting, isn't it? See the example ma. Form the word ending with in and ail to make a pattern. So just you have to join. It's very easy for you. bin bin, then win win, pin pin, tin tin. Come to the next. Ale mail. So bail bail, then sail sail, til tail. Exercise 3.3 ma. Write down the collection of words by ending with ent ent and igh 8. First one went went, sent, then went only, isn't it? So just you have to fill with ent only. Rent, rent, tent. Come to the second one, night, light, then right. Yes, you are right. Then sight, might. So you know well, isn't it? Then come to the second one, fill in the blanks. In between we have the missing pattern, isn't it? So that's what we are going to fill here. COAT, coat. BOAT, boat. GOAT, goat. See here, if we fill with one letter, it must be suitable for all the words. If I fill with E, sure it's not possible. So try to find out if anything given extra. Okay. Second one, RD, isn't it? So RED, red. Yes, it's fixed for all. So RED, red. BED, bed. Then WED, wed. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.
Like a Hellcat.